Yes. Closing for the hospitals the vet show. We are now in vet show, and let's move on to inside. She's Angel. Hello, Angel. Like good girl. Kitchen. Chill. Sit, Angel, sit. Yeah, good girl. And here's our Venom with my brother. We are waiting for doctor right now. So very good afternoon and welcome to Close and Pause. So আমরা এখন এসে গেছি. Yes. Close and Pause the hospitals the vet show. We are now in vet show, and let's move on to inside. Let's see what doctor says. Yeah, this is a vet show, and here we are entering. Here's our good brother, and here's another family with she's Angel. Hello, Angel. Good girl. Kitchen. Chill. Sit. Angel, sit. Yeah, good girl. And excuse me. And here's our Venom with my brother. We are waiting for doctor right now. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, guys, now we are with the doctor, and yeah, now doctor would be like, sir, your name please.
Dr. Krishnan Ghosh.
And where are you from, sir?
So basically from Newtown, and this is my individual setup. But assure we have 2 units, another unit in Salt Lake. And this is completely individual practice, my own setup. I'm the owner and CEO itself.
Great.
And this is my clinic.
Lovely. So you're doing a great job, and
I appreciate your job also, what you're doing.
Thanks a lot, sir.
And mostly appreciate for the thing you're doing, basically taking care of the space. It's a great and noble job to do. Because most people are mostly into the bred dogs only.
Yeah.
Stray dogs are mostly they're being ignored.
Absolutely.
And not being taken care of. Okay. Very appreciated.
And our motive is also do not adopt, do adopt, don't buy.
Do adopt, don't buy. Okay.
That's our main motive, and
yeah, that should be actually. I'm very proud actually being an owner of I run a setup in Newtown, because I've seen mostly in the other parts of the city. Mostly in Newtown, I've seen there is fascination, you could say, there is kind of a practice. People are keeping for the previous 2-3 years. I'm saying people are keeping the indie dogs. Even they are having bred dogs, along with they are keeping indie dogs. Okay.
That's what
in some sorts, in some kind, that helps also. Like the indie dogs, they have a better immune system in somehow than the bred dogs, because they have been in this climate, environment, or whatever you say, for a longer period of time.
Absolutely.
Okay? They're more adaptive. Okay. So once indie dog is staying with a bred dog, there is a possibility, or the kind of immune system when they're drinking water from the same bowl, when they're having food from the same bowl. Okay. So the immune system basically increases for the bred dogs also. I've seen bred dog. I have a client who has 5 bred dogs along with the indie dog. And since the indie dog is with them, the bred dog has started falling sick in
less number than them.
So it's good actually.
Great, sir. Thank you, sir, for your great review and for a great interview.
Okay.
And looking forward with you, sir.
Okay, sure.
Now, in terms of vaccination, a puppy should get high number of vaccination on the initial year as per the WASAVA or as per the international guideline. So that is how it should be, because vaccination is the most primary thing to do for them. That is basically to take care of the viral diseases, which are mostly detrimental, which have better immune system than the bred dogs. So the 5th vaccination can be optional for them. Okay, that option I can take. But apart from that, at least there are 4 number of vaccination. The interval between the vaccination is 14 to 21 days.
Okay.
The vaccinations that are given basically. How are you, buddy? So basically, it gets started from 56 days of age. 8 weeks is the primary age or the initial age to start of the vaccination. I believe the puppy is somewhere reached just about 2 months. Is okay for the vaccination, but
Okay.
the basic protocol for the vaccination is deworming, because deworming holds equal importance as vaccination. Okay. What is the status of deworming? He has been dewormed yet?
Like
Criminal
criminal now. No.
Because deworming holds equal importance as vaccination, because dogs are very picky, they are very sneaky, they tend to lick things, bite things. Okay. So that is why a dog, basically a dog or a cat, they are 10 to 12 times more prone to get worm infestation than humans. Okay. So that is why, irrespective of age, breed and gender, take us একটা ডগকে সে ওয়ার্মের এভিডেন্স থাকুক কি না থাকুক, a puppy should be dewormed for the whole of their life. Yes, the interval or the duration between the deworming that keeps on altering, সেটা চেঞ্জ হতে থাকে. Primarily up to 3 months of age they should be dewormed every 15 days.
Okay.
Post 3 months that should be given every month. Post 6 months that is every 2 months. যত বয়স বাড়ছে deworming এর গ্যাপ বাড়তে থাকছে.
Okay.
Primarily এখন just you should remember you should give the deworming every 15 days.
Okay.
And how is the dosing? Is very simple, there is no rocket science. As much as the body weight, the same amount of deworming. যদি 3 kg ওজন হয় তো 3 ml, যদি 4 kg হয় তো 4 ml, 5.5 to 5.5. Measure the body weight once.
Okay. Weight বেশি না বসে দাও.
Yeah, man. He should be around 5.5 now, I guess. It's way more. It's almost 7. It's almost 7. Okay. So,
এটা কি গুড
7 kg is pretty healthy.
Very
Very good. Obviously, take it. It's very healthy. So deworming, the primary thing you should do is to go for the deworming. Deworming pura, then you can start with the vaccination. Now, if he is approaching 7 kg, then deworming you can give around 7 ml.
Okay.
Empty stomach in the morning, সকালে খালি পেটে দিতে হবে, because any anthelmintic gets absorbed in the intestine.
Okay.
বিলি থেকে অ্যাবজর্ব হয়। স্টমাক কন্টেন্ট যতক্ষণ না খালি থাকবে ততক্ষণ ফুললি অ্যাবজর্ব হবে না, ফুললি ফাংশনাল হবে না। সো অ্যানি ডিওর্মিং যে কোনো ক্রিমের ওষুধ দিতে হলে সবসময় এমটি স্টমাক, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য রিজন ইটস প্রেফারেবল টু গিভেন ইন দ্য এমটি স্টমাক। সকালে খালি পেটে ডিওর্মিংটা করুন as soon as possible. After few days, after 5-7 days, you can start with the vaccination. Okay. So deworming is the primary thing you are going to do, and that is going to be Drontal puppy is the most ideal one. That is the best one, I believe. It should be given 7 ml, empty stomach in the morning. So today is Monday, you can give day after tomorrow, and you can start the vaccination from next Monday.
Absolutely. Oh, from next Monday, so we are going to start the
Because there should
vaccination.
be minimal gap between the deworming and the vaccination.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, now the third thing is the nutrition. There is a difference between human nutrition and dog nutrition also. Okay, they have a shorter lifespan. Okay, they have a shorter lifespan. Hence, it's very obvious their aging process is way faster than us. On the initial year, a puppy is almost approaching their adulthood. That means they are growing 15 times faster than a human body. On the initial year, a puppy grows 15 times faster than an infant. So accordingly, the nutritional requirement varies from the infants also. Like the most basic nutrient for any living being, like me, you, for human beings, for dogs, for cats, or whatever the species is, the most basic nutrient for a living being is protein. A dog requires 3 to 4 times higher protein than a human body. Okay, the calcium requirement is higher. So diet or the food management you are going to do on that basis. So what are you feeding right now? এখন কি খাওয়া হচ্ছে?
Like okay, on 1 to 2 years pedigree.
আচ্ছা, এখন কিবেলসেই আছে তো?
Yeah.
কিবেলসে থাকলে কোনো সমস্যা নেই। মোস্টলি অন দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ার্ল্ড কান্ট্রিজ কিন্তু ডগ কিবেলসেই থাকে। কিবেলস ইজ এ কমপ্লিট ফুড, যেটা আমার ডায়েটারি যা যা রিকোয়ারমেন্ট রয়েছে সব ফুলফিল করছে। কিবেলসে থাকলে কোনো সমস্যা নেই, যতদিন না কোনো রিল্যাক্টেন্সি ডেভেলপ করছে বা কোনো খাওয়ার প্রতি একটা ওই হয় না যে খাওয়ার ইচ্ছে চলে যাচ্ছে, ততদিনও কিবেলসেই থাক, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। পেডিগ্রি খাচ্ছে তো?
Pedigree.
ঠিক আছে, লেট বাট ডগ
আমি বলতে গেলে আমি 1 year ডগ ফিল্ডে কাজ করেছি।
Like thank you, sir. Like for such an important informations. Like
basically for any pet parent, there is no like individuality or casteism between dogs, right? Any
Absolutely.
people coming with imported Saint Bernard or some like Irish Setter or some Indie dogs also. The advice will be same for all of them.
আচ্ছা
The rate doesn't vary. It's the same for all of them. So if you're keeping a dog, whether it's Indian, whatever the breed is, okay, I believe being a pet parent, it's your, from an individual point of view, you should take care of the dog as equally as any breed.
Absolutely, like that's the main.
He seems a healthy dog, so the deworming is the primary thing what to do, and after that we'll start off the vaccination. Today is we are sitting on 2nd of August, so
Yeah.
on 4th we are going to do the deworming,
Okay.
and just after a week on 9th we'll start off the vaccination, exact after 5 days of the deworming.
Okay.
On 9th we'll start off the vaccination, though he is eligible for vaccination as per age, but as the deworming has not been given yet, we'll hold it for now. Okay. So if you're giving the kibbles, food is fine. How many times you're feeding?
We are feeding like in a day 3 times.
3 times. Try to make it 4 times because metabolism is very high at this young age. So
Okay.
at least till 4 months, 4.5 months, you can make it like 4 times a day.
4 times a day.
Because they feel hungry. Their metabolism is very high at the younger age.
Yeah, like or like when they are hungry, like ওরা নিজেরাই এসে মানে বলে দেয় like বুঝতে পেরে যায়, so তারপরে
মোটামুটি 4 টাইম রাখলে আইডিয়াল if you're starting off like when
Okay.
it's starting off সকালে কটায় স্টার্ট হচ্ছে
সকালে আপনার like near about 7.
7 so make it like 7 12 5 10
Okay.
giving gap between every
Okay.
5 hours 7 12 5 10 প্রতি 5 ঘন্টায় যদি খায় then that's fine ঠিক আছে আর
Okay,
খাবারের
sir.
বাইরে কিছু বেসিক সাপ্লিমেন্টেশন দরকার হয় মানুষের বাচ্চাদেরও লাগে supplementations are not medicines, those are basically add-ons or additional, you could say, like multivitamin is a supplement, liver tonic is a supplement, digestive is a supplement. These are not medicines. Like what are the functions? Multivitamin promotes the growth. Liver tonic যেমন এই প্রাইমারি স্টেজ ডিওর্মিং খুব র্যাপিড হচ্ছে বলে টু প্রোটেক্ট দ্য লিভার। ডাইজেস্টিভ এই অল্প বয়সেই ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টমাক আপসেট স্টমাক ইস্যুস ইনডাইজেশন এই সমস্যাগুলো হয় বলে ডাইজেস্টিভ সাপোর্টিভ রাখা হয়। সেরকম কিছু খাচ্ছে সাপ্লিমেন্টারি কিছু দেওয়া হচ্ছে
কিছু না, যেহেতু লাইক
জিনিস দিন
যেহেতু লাইক মানে স্ট্রিট ডগ, সো লাইক মানে
কোনো মেডিসিন দিইনি বলতে
দুটো বেসিক জিনিস দিন, একটা ডাইজেস্টিভ, দিস ইজ 1 ml twice after meal, and there is a liver tonic called Nutrilic Pet, is 1 ml twice before meal. Both are palatable, both are supplements, so he'll love having this.
lovely. And sir, thank you so much, sir, for your like such a kind of informations and such very important informations you have given to us. Like
I hope this will give a great guidance to all the other pet parents also. I'm sure they're like in consultation with their concerned veterinarians, they give the guidance as per. Okay.
like thank you, sir. Like I would be suggest to everyone, like my
Thanks a lot.
viewers and my followers, I would be suggesting everyone to
No.
sir, are you on Instagram?
Yes, I'm on
Yeah, please say your Instagram ID, please.
It's Dr/Krishanu Ghosh, Instagram ID. No?
Okay, like I will be giving the Instagram ID on the descriptions, so you could go and check Mr. Doctor. Sir, your full name, please.
Dr. Krishanu Ghosh.
Dr. Mr. Ghosh, and
Krishanu Ghosh, and I'm the owner of Vetasure. This is my clinic only.
yeah, like
We
great.
have another unit in Salt Lake. I'll be very happy if you could cover in some other day because we
Absolutely,
have one of the
sir.
best operation theatre facility in this city.
Great. Like it's a great news. Like absolutely,
So what's
sir.
his name?
His name is Venom.
Venom. So yeah, Venom.
We call him Venu or
Venom?
Venu. Venu. ওখানে Venu ওখানে এখানে। So yeah, guys, like এখন অবধি like we are having some conversation with doctors about Venom and Tulu 2. So what we can do is let's see and stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye. And most important thing, do not buy, do adopt. Please, যারা বাইরে স্ট্রিটে যারা আছে ওদেরও লাইক দে অলসো নিড সাম লাইক এরকমই ওদের প্রিভিলেজ পাওয়া উচিত, আই গেস। যতটা রাইট আমাদের আছে ততটাই এদেরও রাইটস আছে। So like say how friendly, like this is crazy.
Venom is a good one. Oh. Kisu হচ্ছে. So this is Kisu. On the other side. He's on the other side.
For now, have a good bye, stay safe.
Take care of your pets.
Happy, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
সকালে খালি পেটে this digestive and liver tonic, this is twice. And lastly about the skin and the skin care, যতদিন না অ্যান্টি-রেবিস ভ্যাকসিন হচ্ছে, which is basically 4th among the 5 vaccination, a dog is usually not advised to give you bath. কিছু অল্টারনেটিভ দরকার, নাহলে বডিতে ওটা হবে, ফ্লেক্স হবে, ডার্টস হবে। সেটার জন্য হচ্ছে কনসেপ্ট ইজ বেসিক্যালি যেটা আগে স্পঞ্জ করা হতো, ওটার মডার্নাইজ ভার্সন ইজ ড্রাই বাথ। ড্রাই বাথ কামস ইন স্প্রে ফর্ম, লাইক ওয়াটার বেসড হয়, ফোম বেসড হয়, ঠিক আছে? তো ড্রাই বাথ কিছু ইউজ করবেন, ওকে ক্লিন রাখার জন্য কি ইউজ করা হচ্ছে?
লাইক ক্লিন রাখার জন্য আমরা তো লাইক নর্মাল ডেটল জলে স্নান করাই উইথ শ্যাম্পু।
আচ্ছা, এক্ষুনি বেদিং না করানোই ভালো, ইটস আ হাই পসিবিলিটি দ্যাট ক্যাচ কোল্ড। সো প্লেইং অন দ্য শাইন বলে একটা ড্রাই বাথ লিখে দিলাম, ইটস ওয়াটার বেসড। সিম্পলি বডিতে 500 জায়গায় স্প্রে করে জাস্ট ওয়াইপ ইট উইথ সাম ক্লিন টাওয়েল। দ্যাটস ইট।
লাইক আমরা তো স্যাভলন ওয়াইপ দিয়ে পুরো ওয়াইপ করে দিই যাতে কোনো গায়ে পোকামাকড় বা ইনফেকশনস আজকাল
পোকামাকড় তো স্যাভলন প্রিভেন্ট করতে পারবে না, দ্যাটস বেসিক্যালি অ্যান অ্যান্টিসেপটিক অ্যান্ড মেইন হিউম্যান স্কিনে ইউজ করার প্রোডাক্ট ডগকে প্রিভেন্ট করে।
So, sir, thanks a lot for your cooperation and for your for your giving us such a good knowledge about them. And like, yeah, we are very honored to like came here and to
So I was not prepared
to
for
see
this. I
you.
just came into the clinic and got to see you. It's fine. It's great. Hope gives being informative to all the pet parents.
Like Venom, now it's time to go. Let's go. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and have a great day.